Hi, in this video tutorial we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV smartphone. So first of all, let me show you that if you'll go to the settings, open up the display category and expand the values for the sleep feature, you'll see that the maximum value that we can set by default is 10 minutes. Therefore, in order for us to be able to set it to never, we are going to use the help of the free Google Play Store app called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and open up the Play Store. At the search bar, you want to type in Caffeine just like so. That is exactly the app that we are looking for. So let's go ahead and download as well as install it. Now just open the application, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section of it has the infinite value set, and which will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time you will not use it, or no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.